friends, welcome to today's video. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a clean out of my pantry. I'm going to be decluttering, I'm going to be organizing. I know that I have a couple of organizers because I've organized this pantry years ago, but today I want to add some labels as well, just so it'll look nicer and I'll know what's in each container. I also purchased 2 big containers. I really need to declutter and to check what's expired, take everything out, so let's just go ahead and get started. I need to take all of this out. Pretty bad, pretty cluttery. So hopefully it'll look organized once I put everything back inside. We're gonna be putting everything here, and I don't even think it's gonna be enough space. We'll see. Whenever I'm cleaning any area in my home, I like to take everything out. I just feel that this way it helps me know what stuff I have. It's also going to help me do like a run through to check what is expired, what is still good. If things are about to expire, I can put those first. That way I can use them first, and then the stuff that's still good for a couple more months, then I can place that way in the back. I like to use containers to store my foods, my beans, my rice, my chilies. Now the containers that I have, I purchased. Some of them are from the Container Store. Some of them are from a big box that I purchased together from Costco. I will try and link all of them below since it's been a couple of years since I purchased them. But I do have a video that I did in Spanish where I shared with you guys where I bought everything. If in case you're interested, I'll leave it in the description box below. I just can't comprehend sometimes how the floor gets so dirty in here walking in this floor. But I guess it's because of all the food that falls and stays in the floor, especially the potatoes. Sometimes the potatoes are old or dirty and then they drip. Yes, I know that's a bit nasty, but it has happened before. So I'm going to be cleaning my floors, and I'm going to be using my new vacuum that I have. It's the Bissell Cross Wave. I have really been enjoying using this vacuum to vacuum my floors, my carpet. I'm gonna be doing a review video pretty soon. I did do an opening box that day, so I'll be sharing that video pretty soon. I'm very happy with this vacuum. Then I'm gonna be taking a microfiber cloth, or you can use any rag, anything that you have at home to clean, a cleaner. And I'm gonna be cleaning all of the shelves. I'm gonna be cleaning that to make sure that they're clean. Some of the shelves, I feel like in the future they're gonna need some paint. Some of the paint has been chipping a little bit. But for now, it's good with just a clean and then organizing everything for this video. And at this moment, that's all I'm going to focus on today. Let me tell you why I think it's so important to use containers. I feel that using containers helps you save space. Not only does it look good, because it is gonna make everything look better. It doesn't matter what containers you get. Once you store everything in containers, it's gonna look so much better. Everything's gonna be so much organized. You're gonna be able to find it right away. Another thing is that when you're running low on, let's say the beans, for example, you can grab more beans. Instead of saving up different little baggies, you can just pour them into that container, and it's going to be so much easier. Like, I'm so happy. I don't know why years ago I didn't use containers. Like, I never really thought about it until I started really getting into the mood of organizing my home. And once I bought these organizers, I really like the way it looks, the way it's easy for me to find things. I'm also going to be making some labels, and I'm going to be using my Cricut Joy. I've been using it quite a bit now. At first, I don't know, I had it stored up and I didn't want to use it because I wasn't sure on how to use it. I thought it was going to be a bit complicated to use it, but it's really easy. It's very simple. You just download the app and everything, like all the labels are already pre-made. All you have to do is insert the name of the label that you want to make. There's a variety on there that you can choose from already made labels, and all you have to do is open the app, make sure it has Bluetooth on, and then you're going to print. You're probably going to see that I'm moving things around. I wasn't too sure on how I wanted my containers to be. I know that I wanted things that I use more often to be placed in the front. Since the shelving that is in this pantry, they are a bit far back, which sometimes I do like that, but sometimes I feel like I can't find certain things. That's why I had to choose some containers, like the stair container, things that will work for my pantry and also things that will work for me, so everything will be easier for me to find. I got these woven containers. I don't even know if that's the way you would call them, but I bought them from the Container Store. I really like them. They were a bit pricey, which later on I found some that were way cheaper at Ross, and I had already bought these, and the store is a bit far from where I live, so there was no point of me going back to return them, because I was just gonna end up wasting gas. I had already spent the money, so I didn't want to go back and return them. There are so many different containers that you can find there, and some of the baskets similar to the ones that I have. And what I like is that they pretty much always have like the similar baskets, because a lot of people like to purchase in bulk, like they want the same baskets for their pantry. So I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find baskets that are the same and different sizing as well. These wire baskets on the bottom of my pantry, this is where I store my onions and my potatoes. I actually took the potatoes, the last ones that I had, to cook some of them. Some of them I had to throw because they were old. It was only about 2 of them that I had to throw. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But yeah, this is where I store them. This is where I've stored them for some years now, and I really like storing them here. Before, I used to leave them in the bag, and the potatoes would get like humid and they would rot so much faster. So this really helps with the air ventilation as well. So these are the before and after results. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope that this video gives you guys motivation to also clean out your pantry. And it's important to do so at least twice a year. That way you take things that are expired and that you just give it a quick clean. I know that throughout time we just start throwing things inside and it gets cluttery, and we need to find the time to declutter and organize. Well, at least I had to find the time to do so, because with time I just start throwing things in there, and I know I shouldn't, but for some reason sometimes I do, and I am guilty of that. It is what it is. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. May God bless you all, and I will see you guys in my next video.